what's going on, everybody? Today my friends and I are all gonna go and recreate our forest photography video with our winter cars in the snow and winter. So should be a pretty good day. Let's go. Should be a good day considering yesterday it snowstormed last night and it was a pain to get home. So let's hope for the best. So we made it to the spot. It's the exact same spot as last time. Kale and Cass are here again. We're just pretty much recreating our summer car photos in the winter. Thought it was a pretty cool concept. Kale wanted to come back here to recreate some of his pictures for his Instagram. Link will be in the description below if you want to go check it out. Please drop him a follow. But day looks pretty nice. Showed you the weather. Doesn't seem like a bad idea. So let's get these pictures started. Sorry for the short video, everyone. I just wanted to pretty much get a video out before Christmas. I've been extremely busy with Christmas and work, but I wanted to wish everyone a happy holidays and a happy new year. I will be putting out a next video or another video next week, but I don't know how long it's gonna be and all of that, just because again I'm still very busy with family things, work, and in between all of that it's hard to get enough content for you guys to make a video. But after the new year, the videos should be back to normal, to the normal length, to the normal quality. So, until then, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you want to see more of my content, please subscribe as it helps me and the channel out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.